Watching a movie on a rainy Sunday afternoon with popcorn goes hand in hand. And yes, popcorn made at home tastes so much better. It is delicious with the classic butter, but why not jazz it up? I'm going to cook my popcorn in some coconut oil and flavour it with something a little bit special. Now I'll need 2 generous tablespoons of this virgin coconut oil. It'll also give it a really slight coconut flavour, which is exactly what I want. Now I'll turn the heat on. And we can add our corn kernels, which you'll get from all of your supermarkets. About 1/4 cup. It can go in with the coconut oil. And then we swirl it around. Just allow that coconut oil to melt in. It doesn't matter if it hasn't melted completely. And we'll pop the lid on. Now for this awesome flavour combo. Hot chili sauce and lime. It goes hand in hand. So a tablespoon of hot chili sauce, or you can add a little bit more if you want it to be extra spicy. And then the zest of a lime and the juice of the lime, squeezing that straight into the bowl, and then we'll give it a stir. Okay, the sauce is ready. And I can hear that popcorn popping. This is my favourite part, just keeping an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Make sure the heat's not too hot, to a medium heat. Once it stops popping, it's ready to go. Popcorn's just stopped popping. Let's do the big reveal. Wow, looks fantastic, smells great. And you can't have popcorn without a little bit of salt. So we'll just sprinkle that into the popcorn, give it a shake, and then we'll pour that while it's still really, really hot into our chili sauce. And then with a big spoon, mix all of that together. So majority of that popcorn is coated in that vibrant red colour from the chili, and that's the popcorn done. You know, the hardest part of this recipe is what movie to pick. I think tonight I'm going to be watching a rom-com. Good popcorn.